Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any gardener's toolkit, the Fertilome Fire Blight Spray. If you're looking for the best solution to protect your plants from diseases like fire blight, bacterial wilt, and more, you're in the right place. Let's kick off by understanding what makes the Fertilome Fire Blight Spray stand out in the market. Developed by Fertilome, known for their effective plant care solutions, this spray is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it versatile for various plant types. Firstly, it's formulated with 22.4% streptomycin sulfate, a potent ingredient known for its efficacy against fire blight and other bacterial infections. This makes it a go-to choice for gardeners aiming to maintain healthy plants throughout the year. When to use it? Well, during the bloom time, you'll want to apply it every 3 to 4 days to ensure thorough protection. Post-blossom, adjust your application to every 5 to 7 days, ensuring consistent care without harming your plants. Now, what sets it apart? Aside from its disease-fighting prowess, the spray is incredibly easy to use. Just mix 1 tablespoon with 2.5 gallons of water and spray away. Plus, it's suitable for a wide range of plants, whether you're tending to your indoor favorites or nurturing your garden blooms. To wrap it up, if you're serious about keeping your plants healthy and thriving, the Fertilome Fire Blight Spray is your best bet. Its proven formula, ease of application, and versatility make it a standout product in plant care. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, happy gardening!